When it comes to home improvement, many homeowners in West Valley City focus on visible upgrades like kitchen remodeling or landscaping. However, one often overlooked yet essential improvement is door replacement. Whether it's the front entry door, patio doors, or even interior doors, replacing old or outdated doors can significantly enhance the safety, energy efficiency, and overall aesthetics of your home. Here's why door replacement should be at the top of your home improvement list in West Valley City. Enhance your home's security. Your home's doors are its first line of defense against intruders. In West Valley City, where seasonal weather can sometimes cause wear and tear on building materials, old or damaged doors may not provide the level of security your family needs. A new door, especially one constructed with modern, durable materials, offers enhanced protection. Upgraded locking mechanisms, reinforced steel cores, and impact-resistant designs make today's doors far superior to their predecessors. These improvements ensure that your home remains a safe haven for your loved ones, giving you peace of mind whether you're at home or away. Boost energy efficiency. West Valley City experiences diverse weather patterns, from cold winters to hot summers. Older doors, particularly those made of wood or poorly insulated materials, can be a significant source of energy loss. Drafts and gaps around the door frame can increase your energy bills by forcing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Modern replacement doors are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Features such as weather stripping, double or triple pane glass, and insulated cores help to minimize heat transfer and prevent drafts. By investing in a new energy-efficient door, you'll reduce your utility bills and contribute to a more sustainable environment. Improve curb appeal. First impressions matter, and the front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. If your existing door is faded, cracked, or outdated, it can detract from your home's overall appearance. For West Valley City homeowners looking to increase the value and aesthetic appeal of their property, replacing the front door is a quick and impactful solution. Modern doors come in a wide variety of styles, colors, and materials, allowing you to customize your entryway to match your home's architecture. Whether you prefer a sleek, contemporary design or a more traditional look, a new door can instantly elevate your home's curb appeal. Address wear and tear. West Valley City's climate, which includes dry summers and snowy winters, can take a toll on your home's doors. Over time, exposure to the elements can cause warping, cracking, or rotting, especially for wooden doors. In addition, frequent use can lead to mechanical issues with hinges, locks, or handles. Replacing your old doors ensures you're not just patching up existing problems but addressing them with long-lasting solutions. New doors are built to withstand weather extremes and daily wear and tear, providing you with reliable functionality for years to come. Increase property value. A new door isn't just an aesthetic or functional upgrade, it's also a smart investment. According to remodeling industry reports, replacing your front door can offer a high return on investment, ROI. Potential buyers in West Valley City value homes that are both visually appealing and energy efficient, making door replacement an attractive selling point. Whether you're planning to sell your home soon or simply want to increase its long-term value, installing modern, high-quality doors is a wise choice. Enhance indoor comfort and noise reduction. Old or improperly installed doors can let in not only drafts but also outside noise. This can be particularly bothersome for West Valley City homes near busy roads or commercial areas. Modern doors often include soundproofing features, creating a quieter and more comfortable indoor environment. Additionally, replacing worn-out patio or sliding doors can improve indoor-outdoor flow, making your living space feel more open and connected to your backyard or patio. Conclusion: replacing your home's doors is more than just a cosmetic upgrade. It's an essential improvement that enhances security, energy efficiency, comfort, and overall value. For West Valley City homeowners, investing in new doors tailored to the region's unique climate and style preferences can provide both immediate and long-term benefits. Whether you're looking to modernize your home, save on energy bills, or simply improve your daily living experience, door replacement is a practical and impactful choice. With countless options available, you can find the perfect doors to meet your needs while adding a touch of elegance to your home. Don't wait. Start exploring your options today and transform your West Valley City home, one door at a time.